Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Pistacio token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Pistacio latest coverage is dominated by a speculative Solana meme coin surge, not a verified project announcement. A decrypt market roundup reported a roughly 200x move on August 26, while Social Post described a run from about $87,000 to $2.5 million in market cap and later claimed a 16 million peak. The main risk is identity and credibility. Multiple posts cite different contact addresses and no official project update or clarity verified team source appeared in the latest results. Pistachio token total supply is 975.72 million and circulating supply is also 975.72 million Pistachio token. Pistachio token is listed on MEXC, LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.